Welcome to the Tech Boom channel. The legendary version of iQOO 7 continues the design style of the previous legendary version of iQOO 5 Pro, but some changes have been made in the details. The reason why the first feeling of the two products is more similar is that yellow, black and blue stripes are added to the back of the fuselage. However, careful observation shows that there are obvious differences between the two stripes. iQOO 7 Legend adds oblique texture similar to tire trays in each longitudinal stripe, which makes it more stereoscopic. In addition to the tricolor stripes, the back cover material and process of iQOO 7 Legend are also very different from before. This time it uses ACK glass. The actual feel is more delicate. At the same time, thanks to the reflective properties of the glass itself, when the light hits the three color stripes, you can see more dynamic running light effect, which is very special. The material selection of the middle frame is also very particular. iQOO uses nautical aluminum material for this product. It adds a special proportion of copper element to the traditional aluminum alloy material, which has excellent corrosion resistance and toughness. In addition, the power button of iQOO 7 Legend also specially selects the blue color corresponding to the three color stripes, and the surface is made with 3D texture, which makes people feel more exquisite. As for grip, the iQOO 7 has a length of 162.2 mm, a width of 75.8 mm, a thickness of 8.7 mm and a weight of 209.5 g. Compared with several new mobile phones released recently, this kind of weight control is really difficult to describe as excellent. However, due to the relatively long proportion of the body, it feels okay to hold, which is not as heavy as expected. iQOO 7 is a product with very distinctive features. It has the top performance and top charging speed of Android mobile phones. If you want to start a regular flagship and don't want to consider game phones, iQOO 7 is the best choice at present. It's officially on sale on January 15th. Interested friends can pay attention to it.